You are going to love the 2025 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear fog light, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.